Friends, I will tell you something here. When I entered here, I can see Jagannath Dev, Balaram Subhadra, and this cow hit me. Okay, when I was like existing, and I can see one girl is studying. She is studying. So it is good. No, I'm sweating. She was trying to give like how to say tika or something. So I don't want to take it because yesterday I took and my everything was washed. You can see the temple, mud pots. You can drink water here. So I'll drink water and I'll feel relief then. So you can see how many pots here, mud pots. It is very good. I drank water. Now I am going there. I am going to this temple. I will enter this temple and I will show you. He is making jalebi here. He is selling jalebi. I will love eating jalebi, but nowadays I am not eating. So what is this? I have to take off my shoes at first and then I will enter. I am entering now. Pravesh. Camera is not allowed. Sorry friends, camera is not allowed, so I will not show you anything here. But I am showing you the outside. You can see Sri Kanchi Kamakati Pitam, Sri Adi Shankar Biman Mandapam. It is a south temple. It designed it south. Okay, south temple. So I am not showing you all the things because अंदर मोबाइल ले जाना मना है. अंदर मोबाइल ले जाना मना है. Why? Still I will go. Still I will go. Now I am on the temple. You can see I am here, and mobile is not allowed here. But still I am using this mobile. I am recording. I am making a video. I think I will get punishment. But no worries. I am showing you. You can see the scenario of outside the Ganga, the Sangam Sthal. Okay, so you can see the view, and I am sweating so much, friends. So I will show you everything. Just keep watching, and I am showing you. Just keep watching. Okay, so just watch very fast because what will I say then? So I am showing you. You can see all the temples, all the statues. You can see Sri Kalki, Sri Vishnu Gopal, Sri Dharpal. I am showing you everything. Okay, just keep watching, and you can see the road. I came on this road. Okay, so just keep Baman, Sri Dharpal, Sri Narsingh, and Sri Varaha, Sri Kurma. All the avatars name here. I want to take a photo. What is this? Oh my god! It is a small temple. And Sri Balaji Bade Des Tirupati. This is the go down ahead. Okay friends, it's enough and I will go up again. Okay, so I showed you most of the things and I will go up now. Use headphones and listen, then you can listen, otherwise you can't listen because I am speaking very slowly. श्री शंकर जी मंदिर जाने का मार्ग. Oh my God. Shiv Kam Sundari. So I am showing you this. Just watch very fast. I don't want to go there because there are some like Purohit. How to say them? I don't know. They are sitting there. If they say to me something, what will I do then? So you can see the original temple here. Go down your head. So you can see the outside view. What are they doing? They are not saying to me anything. Why? Because it has written here all the things. Still, Sri Annapurna Viswanatha Sri Dharpal. You can see I am showing you. I don't move so much now. I will go down now. Okay, it's enough. Okay, it's enough. I am going down now. I am going down. I showed you all the things. Now I am going down and I have kept my bag there. So I will take my bag and I will go down. Oh, he is giving us prasad. So you can see now very well. I want prasad a little bit here. Friends, I got prasad and I will have it. Really very nice. So this is my bag and I will go down now. So it is South Temple. It is here, but the model is from South. So I am going down now, but where is the path? I am finding the path. I think the path is here. I don't know where is the path. Where is the path here? Oh, the path is here. Okay. So now I am going downstairs. I think he is looking at me. He will say to me something. No, he will not say to me. I am going out now. They are sitting here. They are taking rest. I think I should take rest here also. I will sit in a corner and I will enjoy the view. I will go upstairs again and I will sit for few minutes, and after that I will go, because this place is very good. So I think I should stay here for moments, and yes. Friends, I am going upstairs again. I will sit there for few minutes, then I will go. Or no need to take rest. No friends, I need rest, and I am going upstairs again, and I will sit there for few minutes, and I will go, because I am tired. I want to have food. I will go upstairs. I am going upstairs now. Why I am recording all the things? Because I want to see all the things in future. In future I will see all the things. So you can see the view of here. Friends, you can see the view. I am showing you, just keep watching. सॉरी भाई, आ रहे हैं अभी.